Here I've got BLU Advance 5.2 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and choose Settings, then go to Display, and here you have to access Wallpaper tab. And you can pick either Wallpapers album or Photos album. I will pick the second one, which is Wallpapers, and here you can come along with all possibilities. Let me show you all of them. And then you just have to pick the one that you like the most. So let me choose, for example, this one. Then click on Set Wallpaper. And finally decide if you want this picture to cover this your home screen, your lock screen, or maybe both of them, home and lock screen. This is what I will choose. And that's it. As you can see, from now on this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also your lock screen. This is it. So that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily change wallpaper on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.